internal organs. First and foremost thing, there are two types of organ. One is internal and other is external. External organs means the organs which you can see outside. For example, hand, fingers, eyes, nose, ears. These all are external organs which you can see, and the other one are internal organs which are going to study in this chapter. And these internal organs we cannot see. For example, what is there inside your head? Yes, brain. Brain is there inside your head. Can you see the brain? No. So it is an internal organ. Can you see your heart? No. Can you see your stomach? No. These all are internal organs which you cannot see, and external organs which you can see. Now we are going forward. We will see our first internal organ, that is brain. Brain is the internal organ. For example, if I draw a face, where is your brain? Here, over here is this is your brain. This part is your brain. It controls all the activities of your body. It also helps in thinking. वो आपको सोचने में help करता है, and it controls all the activities. For example, if you are going to touch a hot pan, then what will happen? When you are going to touch, immediately you will get a message. The brain will send a message, don't touch, it is very hot. So it helps in thinking, and also it helps to respond what is there and what you have to do. So first organ is brain, which helps you in thinking. आपको सोचने में मदद करता है, and also it helps you to respond to the external parts or a thing which is going on outside. Now the second one is heart. Second organ is heart. Where is your heart? Can you show me? Okay, take your hand and put it on the left side of your chest and feel it. Can you hear anything? Oh, you will hear something, dug, 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 dug. What is that? It is the heartbeat. Your heart is pumping the blood to all your body parts. Now the next organ is heart. What heart do? It helps in pumping blood to all the body parts, all body parts. Now students, we learn two internal organs. First one is brain and second one is heart. What brain helps? Brain helps in thinking, and the heart helps in pumping blood to your whole body parts. Now the next one, third one is lungs. I'll show you this is your windpipe, and over here you are having two lungs. What lungs do? Lungs helps you in breathing. When you take a breath, what happens? The fresh air goes inside your lungs, and it helps you in breathing. Now the next organ is stomach. How is stomach? See, it is somewhat like this. It is somewhat like a bag in which the food which you eat is stored. It helps you in digesting food. Now see, you have learned four internal organs. First one is brain. What brain do? Brain helps you in thinking, and it controls the activities of your body. Second one is heart. What heart do? It pumps blood to all the body parts of your body. And the next is lungs. What lungs do? It helps you in breathing. And the next is helps in digestion of the food. And the last are bones and muscles. What muscles do? Muscles help you in doing all the activities. For example, running. How running is possible? Running is possible due to the help of bones and muscles. They help in your all the activities, day-to-day activities, and they both, bones and muscles, work together to perform an activity. So students, today we have learned internal organs, the organs which we are not able to see. We have learned 5 internal organs. So your today's homework is to read the second chapter and you have to send a video.